Mushroom Sauce TV.
Welcome to Mushroom Sauce TV. Of course, I'm your boy, Sauce B. And I know it's a little different because typically you guys don't see my face. So now you get to put the face to the name. So today I'm in my car right outside of Home Depot because season 2 is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a more of a interactive experience with me. There's going to be a lot of live shots. There's going to be a lot of going in grocery stores or going into hardware stores to figure out what's the cheapest materials you can buy for building, like, for example, a monotub, where we can go and buy, the filter patches and tools to make those things, right? I want, because my whole goal in starting this channel was to show you guys how to grow mushrooms on a budget. So in order for me to do that, I need to go around and shop around and let you guys see pricing in order to be able to achieve that. Because sometimes when you go on these websites that sell you a lot of these products, it may not be the best. It may not be the cheapest, and it may not even be the best. So why not try to do it yourself? I've always had that mindset. If you want something done right, you got to do it yourself sometimes, right? So with all that being said, season 2 is going to be much different. I'm going to start going live. You're going to have a more of an interactive experience. And also you should be able to chat with me live online. In addition, I will be having merchandising, right? I started a merchandising store where you can buy this shirt and other cool merchandises, really dope merchandises. I promise you, it's going to be really, really dope. In the meantime, just stay on the lookout for season 2. It should be dropping in a couple weeks. If you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely reach out to me. My email is there. Also, guys, please go to Midwest Grow Kits. The link is in the bottom of this description, and click on the link. So you can also save 10% off using the promo code Mushroom Sauce TV. And I've seen a couple of guys are actually use it, man, and it saved you guys money. So you're welcome. But also thank you guys for supporting me through this whole process. And I appreciate you guys and I love you guys. All right. Until next time. Peace. I love y'all.
Well, that's all, folks.
That's my line.
Step aside, babe. Let a star do this. That's all!
That's all, folks.
Can I go home now?